Hello, listeners, if there is anyone listen, and if not, I will do the exercise explaining it just as if this was a job interview. So today the exercise is two strings are closed if you can attain one from the other using the following operation: swapping any two existing characters. Okay. Transforming every occurrence of an existing character into another. Uh, okay. You can use operations on either a string as many times. Ah, hmm. I see. Um, 1, 3, 1. My intuition is that they have to have the same amount of different letters and in the same proportion. So the letter, it doesn't matter. However, the order, the frequencies of the letters have to match. That's the that's what I'm getting. Like here, C appears 1, but here B appears 1. A appears 2, A appears 2. B appears 3, C appears 3. Um, Here it doesn't because, well, to starters they have different lengths. So here I would import a counter from collections, and if length the word 1 is different to length word 2, return false. So that would be for starting. Now probably this is irrelevant. We don't need this code, but could cut that. Now counter 1 would be counter of word 1, and counter 2 would be the counter for word 2. Hmm? It is, but no, we don't need the same alphabet. We only need the frequencies. So frequency 1 is counter 1 values, and frequent 2 is counter 2 values. I believe there is open and close bracket. We are going to make it a set for counter 2. No, actually, that's not a good idea. Now let's sort it. Let's sort. let's sort both, and both have to match. So I'm not sure if there is a trick to make it more Pythonic if all the values are Pythonic way to check if all L elements on a list are equal. Yeah, so frequent value 1 equal value 2 for zip frequent 1 frequent 2. So if all the values are the same, return. So I guess that would be if same return. Now the docu string would be close means, well, I'm going to omit what means close. As many times as necessary. So cases will be well, empty string, two empty strings, or it could be a b b, ABC. That seems that's a clear case. So actually this example will not, we will check if input is correct. That would be another one, only contain English lowercase letters. Well, that's very good if I had to build the counter. So let's see if the test runs or if there is a syntactic problem. Of course there is. From collections, import counter. this should require parentheses because it's a function. Hmm. And is not properly written. Oh, a typo. So these exceptions seem correct. So but yeah, I think what I'm missing here is for A's, A, B, C, D. I think this is going to fail because it doesn't check that the frequencies are of. No, it does because the counters do not fail. Print this shouldn't be working, so that's puzzling me. It should. Yes, exactly. Hmm. I'm doing this because I'm a bit puzzled, so print this zip should fail, so exactly. So zip takes the smallest, but of course if the smallest, if they have the same length, the smallest if one string then other zip will take shortest length for. So this is a bit ugly, this code, so why UAU SSX is false. Excuse me. UAU maybe PAB CCD. That means that it is not clearly understood the problem. Using the following operation. So swap any two characters. So we are making the character UUA, swapping the U and the A. Transform every of one character into another existing character. So that might be the nuance, that the alphabet the alphabet has to be the same. Let's see. So if alphabet 1 is different from alphabet 2, return false. But is this what was requested? Let's see. This code is getting more and more messy by the minute. Oh, yes it is. So my intuition is that it will work just without this. 130, that's a constant, so it shouldn't make any impact. And this is not so good. 17, 18, okay. The difference is, it's really marginal. Now I wonder if What did I delete? Ah, the printing. So this will be 128 milliseconds. It will be a mapping of, well, this will be the function. Mapping is function, so will be zip frequent 1, frequent 2, let's see if I remember well how to do the mapping. Python map. So my function and iterable. Will be a lambda function. So 128. Let's see if this is any faster or any slower. That's ridiculous. Just 1 millisecond less. Okay. I guess we are going to. I'm going to leave it like this. I guess in this way it's faster because if the first element is different, it stops checking. So what are the big O? N is 1 is length, word 1, and 2 is length word 2. So complexity. Time, it would be OT. This is linear. This is constant, fixed alphabet. This is constant, fixed alphabet. So this is linear. So ODN is ODN. And the best case it's also ODN. Time, space, the space is the alphabet, twice the alphabet, which is linear. So I believe that's it. Let's see what other users did. 11 hours ago, and it well, it beats everyone. Well, here again is to build your own counter instead of using. So that's building the counter, but again I think I'm more comfortable using the building classes. Then there is, for each letter in the alphabet, I guess it should be a constant, but okay, whatever. The sort is inside the list, and the same if any one is different, then break. So okay, that's all for today. If you have any feedback for me, please let me know in the comments.